In this video, I'm going to compare AutoDS against Dropify to help you decide which tool is better for your dropshipping business. I'm going to compare both platforms across several categories, including price, automation features, order fulfillment, tracking, and much more. So hopefully by the end of the video, you're going to have a good idea about the pros and cons of each platform, and you can decide which one is better for your specific needs. And so for your convenience, I've included the links to both AutoDS and Dropify in the description of this video so you can follow along. Now first, let's talk about the pricing and subscription model, starting with AutoDS. As you can see, AutoDS offers plans with many different platforms that you can choose from, starting from eBay, including Shopify, Facebook, Amazon, Wix, Woo, and Etsy. And so the pricing is different depending on which platform you want to integrate with. And you're actually getting charged based on the number of products that you import into your platform. If you're trying to sell like 200 different products, then you can do this first plan here, and then it goes all the way up to 1,000 for the advanced plan. And if you need even more than that, you can choose a custom plan that goes up to 100,000 or even more, and you would have to contact sales for that. So you can see the price starts at about 20 bucks a month and goes up to like 50 bucks a month, all the way up to potentially a lot more with the custom plan. But you will get a 25% discount if you pay annually instead of monthly, so it is a bit cheaper. And you can see right here all the different features and things that are included. You can use the link in the description to follow along and just look at the different features that are included. Now let's talk about the pricing for Dropify. So Dropify, if you go on the pricing section here, you can see that you can get started completely for free. So if you click get started, it's free. Then it's going to bring you to this page right here where you can enter your details. There's no credit card required. There's no trial period. And so you can try it out completely for free. Now, they do have more comprehensive plans for beginners and advanced users, and they're primarily tailored to integrate e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, and that depends on the features that you streamline and how you want to import and manage the products. Now let's talk about platform integration. So how many tools that you can integrate with each platform, starting with AutoDS. So as you can see, AutoDS allows you to integrate with the most popular platforms for dropshipping like Shopify, eBay, Amazon, Facebook, Etsy, Wix, and WooCommerce. And that makes it really versatile for people that are trying to sell across these popular channels. With Dropify, we can see that they also offer a bunch of different platforms that you can integrate with, including Shopify, WooCommerce, Commerce HQ, GrooveCart, AliExpress, Alibaba, and eBay. And so you can click on each one of them to see what's kind of included and like how it integrates. Even though it's quite effective for users, these platforms, it's still less versatile for using other e-commerce systems. So I would say AutoDS is actually better for integrations than Dropify. But let's talk about the automation features of each platform, starting with AutoDS. Now, AutoDS excels in providing comprehensive automation capabilities like automatic price and stock adjustments, order processing, and auto uploading tracking numbers. So this is really essential if you're trying to scale your operations effectively. Dropify also offers strong automation for the entire dropshipping process, including product importation, order fulfillment, and auto tracking updates. Its capabilities are especially powerful in automating the handling of product variants and bulk order processing. Now let's talk about product sourcing and management. AutoDS allows easy import of products from numerous suppliers like AliExpress, Amazon, and Walmart. It also provides robust tools for editing and customizing product details before they are listed on various sales channels. Dropify excels in facilitating the importation of products directly into Shopify and WooCommerce stores from different suppliers like AliExpress and eBay. It includes features like product customization and automatic product updates, which help maintain store accuracy and relevance. Now let's talk about order fulfillment and tracking. So AutoDS provides a comprehensive solution for order fulfillment, including automated order placement and integration with various shipping solutions that can help you streamline your logistics. Dropify also automates order fulfillment, offering a feature that places orders with suppliers with just a few clicks and it automatically syncs your tracking numbers with customer orders, which improves efficiency and customer satisfaction. Now let's talk about customer support and training, starting with AutoDS. So AutoDS provides excellent customer support. It's known for its 24/7 live chat. It has a bunch of tutorials as well on the website, like the onboarding, about, helps you with configurations, and a bunch of other stuff. And they have a help center here where you can actually submit a form, and they usually get back to you within 24 hours. AutoDS also has a really active community for peer support and tips as well. Dropify provides solid customer support with access to a help center, email support, and live training webinars. They've got a bunch of educational resources as well, like training channel and a YouTube channel. And you can also email their support, and they'll usually get back to you within a day or within an hour for priority support, which is definitely faster than the 24 hours that you typically wait with AutoDS. Now let's talk about the analytics and reporting tools. AutoDS offers detailed analytics and customer reporting capabilities that are crucial for tracking business performance and for making informed decisions across multiple platforms. Dropify also has built-in analytics tools that can help you track sales and profitability directly from the platform. These tools focus on order and product performance metrics, which are essential for managing a profitable dropshipping business. Now let's talk about the user interface and ease of use. AutoDS has a modern, intuitive interface that is easy to navigate, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced users across different platforms. Dropify is also pretty good. It has a lot of user-friendly features and it integrates really smoothly with Shopify and WooCommerce. It's designed to simplify the product import and order management process, so that makes it easy for users who are trying to operate their business effectively. Now let's talk about scalability. So AutoDS is designed to scale with your business. You can scale to the moon. It's capable of handling a large volume of products and orders across multiple platforms, and that makes it ideal for a dropshipper who's looking to expand and scale their business. Dropify, while focused on Shopify and WooCommerce, offers robust tools for scaling operations within these platforms, particularly through features that support bulk operations and variant management. Now let's talk about reviews and community feedback. Let's see what customers have to say about each platform. Let's start with AutoDS. As you can see, AutoDS has over 7,600 reviews with an average rating of 4.8, which is excellent, and it is a verified company with almost all 5 stars. As early as just a day ago or 2 days ago, you can see that people really like AutoDS, and it has amazing reviews. Dropify, on the other hand, only has 50 reviews with an average of 4.6, most of them being 5 stars, but you can't trust it nearly as much as AutoDS, which has way more reviews and an average higher rating as well. So which one is better for you? Well, Dropify is well regarded for its specialized functionality within Shopify and WooCommerce. So if you're using these two platforms, you might be better off with Dropify. It also has positive feedback on its ease of use and effective automation features, and people appreciate how easy it is to integrate with other tools and to manage the stores. AutoDS is more versatile and it's better for people that are, really trying to grow a massive dropshipping business. It's an all-encompassing tool that supports multiple platforms and it offers advanced automation and analytics. So I've included the links to both AutoDS and Dropify in the description of this video and the pinned comment, so you can check them out and decide which one is better for you. If you have any questions or concerns, drop them in the comment section and I'll get back to you ASAP. Thanks for watching.